Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I make fashion and lifestyle videos. Today I'm unboxing a Go Force Goods Sarah crossbody bag. I ordered this bag on July 12th, so it was about 2 weeks ago. They just had a restock on that day, and I placed an order once I see the notification. So the box came very well packaged. I ordered the Sarah crossbody as well as a tassel in Grape Bison color. So it's supposed to be a dark purple color. So here's the bag, and it's made by Kindle. Thank you, Kindle, for making this beautiful bag. So the color is actually slightly darker than I expected, but it's definitely a nice pebbled texture. And it's much softer than I expected comparing to another bag I had from Go Force Goods. I had a blue cobalt bison color, and it's definitely more structured compared to this Grape Bison. As you can see, the texture of the bag, and it smells so good. The leather smell is so good. So the zipper is smooth. However, when it's empty, it's not that easy to open the zipper. The inside is just raw suede, the other side of the leather. And here's the tassel. I ordered a matching color, and it's so pretty. I think I actually like the interior purple color better than the outside color, but still, this bag is so beautiful. So I just temporarily hook the tassel there, but later on I think I will try to attach it to the zipper. And now I want to compare the Grape Bison with the cobalt blue bison. Of course, the color is very different, but besides the color, I would say they both have a little bit wax texture. But the cobalt blue, even though it is soft, it's definitely more structured than the Grape Bison. The Grape Bison is more slouchy and even softer and more applicable. You can see it's hard for it to retain its shape compared to the cobalt blue bison. And because it's a relaxed crossbody bag, I don't mind it's slouchy and soft. I don't need it to be structured. And compared to the cobalt blue bison, I would say this purple one, the oil pull up, is not as obvious. And here, I want to show you the blue cobalt bison leather, the texture again. So the color is lighter, and it's more structured. The pull up is definitely more obvious compared to the Grape one. So thanks for watching the video, and hope you will like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.